Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to combine clips in Filmora, blend clips together, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just make sure to open first the Filmora app onto your device. So once you're already in, it's now time to import the media that you want to use. So you could go ahead and add in here the videos or the images that you want to use. So for this one, since we are blending clips or combining two clips together, we need more than one video or photo. So I have your different medias already. We're going to go ahead and try to use this one. So the first thing that we need to do is to add in the first media here onto the timeline. So I have here the user guide video. We're going to use this as the base for our clip. So we're going to click onto the plus icon, or you could simply drag and drop the video in here. So once that one is already added, it's now time to add in the photo or video that you want to blend. So this step actually works on both, but this time we're going to use a photo to blend out onto this video. So we're going to do the same thing. Click onto the plus icon to add this in here. And since these are on both side by side, we're going to go ahead and drag the photo here onto the upper part of the video. And we're going to drag back the video in here. So as of the moment, this is how our video and photo should look like. As you can see, it is actually hindering the video that we have at the back. What we need to do is we're going to go ahead and blend the clips together. So here, onto the right side, you should be able to see different option. We'll have to go ahead and click onto the photo first to go ahead and adjust the blend mode for that. So under image and basic, we have blend mode, and we're going to choose which one applies best. So we have different blend option in here. Just go ahead and choose which one you prefer. So I like the multiply in here. I'm going to click onto that, and once it is added already, we'll just have to click onto the photo so that we could adjust it further. So let's resize this a little bigger, and we're going to put this onto this side, just like that. Now, if you go ahead and play the photo and video together, this is how it should look like. So as you can see, the photo is still there and the video is playing. So I've successfully blended two clips together, and to combine this both clips, we'll just have to highlight both of this and then right click. There you should be able to see a create compound clip option, wherein you could use Alt plus G as well in here for the shortcut key. If you click onto that, you should not be able to see two clips already in there. It is now joined together as one clip. So it should go ahead and show together the clips in there, but it is actually now on one clip. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.